So today I'm going to be playing Don't Press the Button 2 with Brian. So right here, we're just all dying right now. Just straight up dying from this. I don't even know where to get to. I don't think I can get to here. I don't even know where to go. I'm going to do parkour. Yeah, I'm not so good at parkour. And Brian right now, he's making a video of Don't Press the Button Part 2, aren't you, Brian?
That's part 1.
No, like, Don't Press the Button 2. Brian, Don't Press the Button 2. Did you even start a video? Oh. This is so hard right now. I'm trying to get somewhere. It's just that. Now right here. And before we start, then subscribe to my channel. And well, let's get into it. And here's Brian. Here's bro. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. He's right here. And hey, Brian. Are you on?
Hey everyone, it's Brian here, and I'm back with another video, and I'm joined with
Second Chance Peterson.
Yeah, and we are playing. What is it? Don't touch the button.
Don't press the button. Whoa! Swords!
I'm gonna kill you! Oh no!
I'm killing everyone right now. Stop saying that. It's just a big flirt. You know it is. So I'm saying that. Dude, I killed him. I still haven't died. I'm last. I seriously won. I won. I seriously just won this whole round. That's crazy. I can't believe I won. Whoa! Oh, there is another one. There's another girl. Yeah. Oh, I killed her now too.
Okay, I'm gonna touch the button.
There's Brian.
I'm gonna touch the button.
I'm pressing the button. I touched the button.
Big head. Guys, look at me and my big head.
Whoa. You just hit me out of the map.
Touch it.
I have 20 coins, so it looks like...
Oh, I have a happy boot.
I don't have any robots.
Narwhals swimming in the ocean. Narwhals swimming in the ocean, causing a commotion, cause they are so awesome. Narwhals swimming in the ocean.
But not fair. Now somebody else is on.
I just died by Granny.
Dude, I pressed it. Piggy! Ah! Piggy! Huh?
Piggy.
Okay.
Piggy. Whoa. Whoa.
Lasers! There's lasers! No! I died! I went through the line. Now I'm all the way up here. Next challenge. Uh-oh. Wait until everyone dies. Dude. How are they still alive?
Oh, they're in the middle.
Oh, that's so cheating.
I tried not to cheat. It ended.
I pushed the button. I'm pushing it. I'm still pushing it. Whoa! Yay! It's a trampoline. We have a trampoline. That's so fun. Bouncy. Well, look how I'm going right now.
Oh, wow.
Thanks.
Button's red.
Stop it.
You shall not press the red button.
Okay.
You can't press the button.
This is dome, but we're trying. Okay, he fell. Oh, it's actually parkour. It's a parkour video. Oh, I didn't know we were going to do that. I already died. I seriously already died. Parkour.
Crap. I died on the first thing.
Dude, what speed? Well, I kind of do. I'm too speedy, guys. I'm too speedy. Okay.
I made it past the first level.
I'm gonna jump through the speed. I'm just gonna
I'm jumping.
jump. I didn't make it.
No.
I didn't get speed. I never got speed. I'm so lucky. I never. Really?
Somebody press the button. I bet the frogs
Whoa! Climbing! Who can climb the first? Oh, dude, I'm gonna get first. Dude, I got first! I got first! I literally got first. Wait, what? Yeah. I did it! First! I'm first! Wait, it reset me back to here again? Okay.
Whoa!
Oh, something hit me. There's frogs!
Oh no! Ah! I
Whoa!
survived.
I died!
I survived.
I died!
You're the only one that died. Oh, it's black and white. Wow.
Oh, it's just a black and white. What is this?
It's not black and white. Oh, wow.
There you go.
Oh,
Okay.
I died right when I spawned.
Nathan, I saw you walk off the platform.
I died right when I spawned.
I saw you just moving, then you just ran right into the ground.
When I spawned. Right when
I know, same.
That was funny when I spawned.
Like you spawned it, and we were both just walking around, and then we ran right off the platform and died.
I was literally jumping down, then I just fell off.
No, you didn't.
No!
Uh-oh. One, two.
What?
I did not gonna be last.
I think I'm gonna place first, bro.
Dude, I'm gonna get
I'm
fourth.
second.
Dude, I'm beating you. What? You glitched out. You're so slow. I beat you.
No,
It's
I'm in second. I placed second.
huh. It glitched out and I beat you. No, somebody else pushed it. Uh-oh. Okay. Chill.
You're gonna fall off. You have to go on the button.
What do you mean? You have
People
to-
are dying.
No one's dying.
I saw somebody die.
No one's dying. Why do you need to be on the button? Wait, I pushed it. Wait, did I push it first? I pushed it first. Somebody else pushed first.
Oh my god.
Yo, this is fun. Whoa!
We're
Ooh,
gonna die.
this is fun. Oh, this is a bouncy. I got first. That's the first. I'm gonna push the button. I need to push the button. Dude, I seriously am I'm spamming the button, but I didn't push it. Oh, I got it first. I literally pushed the button first. Why did I die?
Because it killed over half the lobby.
Dude, no.
No, so mean.
No, I died.
I died.
People pushed me off.
I know. Push the button. Push the button.
How much coins do you have? Yeah, 5. I have 25. Dude, I didn't need to get there before everyone else.
Push the button.
Dude, I'm seriously about to get first.
Push.
Brian, I'm first. I got first. I'm the only one over here. Look,
The
Brian.
button. Push.
What?
I pushed it.
I
pushed
first.
it. I pushed the button. It's a runway. I'm going this way because I saw
Yeah.
fresh on it.
I seriously won.
Oh,
Oh, whoa,
it's
fresh.
Ow, I died. Stop.
Oh. Ah! Lasers.
I died right away.
Lasers.
I didn't even know we were
Lasers.
Hoo-yah!
Hoo-yah. Yay. Okay, I'm just gonna run this time. What? Visible guy. Visible. How much coins do I have now? So 5. Dude, get more coins and you can get more things.
I'm trying to push the button, but like everybody's trying to push it. Oh
Uh-oh. Do we touch it? Oh no, it's probably gonna start shrinking inwards.
no! What the heck? Oh, it's parkour. It's parkour.
Oh, dude, I like this. I like parkour.
Dude,
Yay! I like parkour. No! I like parkour though. I like parkour. Dude, I don't want to be last. I don't want to be first.
Stop it.
I'm gonna push the button first. I pushed the button first. I pushed it first. Woo.
Wait,
Wait, what?
push it into a goal. Push it into a goal.
To go. Push it into the goal. No. Right. Help.
I'm on opposite sides. Okay? I'm on this side now. Bro, why is this ball so big?
I'm just on it. I'm literally just.
Oh. Oh.
Oh no. It's
Button presser.
no. I need it. No, I can't even see. I pushed the button.
You did.
No, I didn't.
It said you were the button person.
Doesn't show you there. No, I'm not right. Oh, I didn't. Why?
Don't touch the lava. Oh crap.
Ah, dude, this is so hard.
I died on the second one.
Well, guys, well, that's it for today's video, and I hope you like and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time. Bye!